Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today I'm back with a new video. Today's video is a weekend casual look, and in this look I'm wearing a pair of Aldo sandals, which are the white minimalist sandals, my favorites, and I'm wearing a pair of white skinny jeans that I scored at Lane Bryant, which fit my curves amazingly. And for the top, I am wearing a cape top from Ashley Stewart. It has a keyhole detail on the neckline, and the sleeves have that bell fluted style. So this is a great top for anyone who doesn't like to show their arms but want tops that have a little flair to them. This is the perfect top for that. This look is just one of my go-to looks for the summer so far. And for accessories, I decided to accessorize with a faux croc clutch from Lane Bryant and a silver studded bracelet from Forever 21. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want to see more photos, head to the blog StylishCurves.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!